Hey, it's Clarence Barnes and Tim McCarthy from Hushmat, and I got to tell you, this is another one of my toolbox tricks because I'm the guy who always has something extra, like whoops, I forgot. There's so many uses for this, and of course, you know, it comes in two colors, but this is a fix-it, right?
It is a fix-it. You get a damaged door, you've got a door replacement from a collision or something, a quarter panel. This is a perfect amount of material to treat those areas.
You know what I love about it? It also stops vibrations. One of the coolest things about Hushmat, it sticks to everything. Whether it's got grease on it, whatever, a little dirt, you could put Hushmat on anything. Flat out, I have a lot of vibrations in pretty much everything I drive. This solves that problem. This is one of those toolbox tricks.
It's a toolbox dream. It's available in both silver and black foil.
You can find it all right now at hushmat.com.